about to put in my CV Tech primary and CV Tech secondary. I've never replaced clutches before. This is my second belt-driven machine. I've always had Honda, so I've never messed with clutches before. I've never even changed the belt. So first thing you want to do is pull out your footwell to make it a lot easier. Then you're going to pull out all the screws for the belt cover, and there will be a seal on it. Make sure you don't drop that, and you probably want to replace this whenever you take the box off and just go ahead and get a new seal. I'm not going to do that though. I'm just going to put some grease around the whole thing and have it water sealed. Next thing you're gonna want to do is find a screw that fits in this hole. There's 3 holes around here. One of them's threaded, and what it's for is whenever you start screwing in there, it starts opening up this secondary, so that way you can get this belt off. Once you get it opened up, you should be able to just roll the belt off. Just sit here and roll the belt, and it'll finally fall out of the secondary right here. And now I'm going to pull this bolt back out, and then I'm going to pull the bolt on the primary, pull the primary off, and then I'm going to get my clutch puller, and we are going to pull the back half of the primary clutch, and then we're going to pull the secondary. So I will get back with you guys after I get these 2 clutches pulled. Alright, so I got the primary and secondary out. Oh, this is my secondary and this is my primary. I got them all out. So now we're gonna put in, and they're not both CV Tech. The primary is a CV Tech, but my secondary is a STM. So the guy who had them before me, he was running 37s, no issues. So I'm pretty sure they're either weighted for 35s or 37s. So it should pull these old 32.5s, no issue at all. So I'm gonna clean this up in here, and I'm probably gonna clean these clutches up one more time, and then we're gonna get them thrown in the bike. So once I get the primary in, I will get back with y'all. So we got the CV Tech primary on, and we got the STM secondary. So got them bolted down, so let's see what happens. I have my bike in neutral right now, so we'll hit on the gas. So I guess that's right. I have no idea at all of what I'm doing, but yeah, hopefully this is right. I'm gonna pull this bolt back out and pull this one back out and put blue Loctite on them, so that way they don't back out. And then I'm gonna hit some brake cleaner, clean these clutches up before I put the belt and stuff back on. But yeah, primary and secondary are in, so let's clean them up, let's get the belt back on, and let's go ride it around after that. So we got the clutches in, got them all nice and good, and I just went and test rode it and in the front yard, and everything is good. So I didn't really notice any difference when I had the 4-wheeler in high. It still drove pretty much the same, but I mean, when I put this thing in the low, I mean, I tap on the gas and it wants to stand the 4-wheeler up. So whenever I get all this put back, well, I'm probably gonna go out in the front yard and get some clips of me trying to pop a wheelie on this thing, because I mean, in low, this thing just has insane torque. I mean, it's crazy. And ever since I put the 6-inch lift and 32s on, I hadn't been able to pop a wheelie on it until now. Well, we're finna go find out. So let's go pop some wheelies, and then let's finish putting the bike together.
Yeah.